Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first we have to simply open notification bar, then swipe 2 times for the left, click on the edit button, and right now we can edit icons. So if you want to get location on the upper section of the screen, click hold and then drag it right here. Next, if you want to add additional icons like focus mode, do the same. And if you want to remove icons, maybe you are not using do not disturb mode, just make it like that. Then click done if you want to save all changes, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.